Hi, I just wanted to make a quick video so that you could see what Alim is looking at. So when you go onto his Schoology page, this is exactly what it will look like. So the course is called Core Connections Math 1. Over here on the left-hand side, you have materials, which is the most important. That's where he's going to go find all of his lessons every day. Updates, which is where I'm going to post every single day what he should be working on. So for instance, today you should be finishing up the assignments from yesterday on multiple representation assignments. So you can look at yesterday and see today and tomorrow you'll be working through the same assignment for day 27 and 28. And then you can work on that and turn it in. So over here on the right hand side, it shows you what's due for that day. But a lot of kids just go in and click that. We don't want them to do that because that takes them straight to the assignment. They miss the actual lesson part. So then they click on this and they're like, wait, I don't know how to do any of this. So don't click on that, okay? So for him, he wants to go over to materials. There's a Start Here folder that has all the information from the first 2 days of school, so he'll want to complete those to make sure he understands it. And then we'll have quarter 1. So we're going to click on quarter 1. We've already completed this first chapter, so we're on chapter 1 right here. Again, all of his missing assignments, I think he's only turned in 2 assignments this whole quarter, so he'll have to go back and work on all this stuff. So if you click on that, notice there's a folder for every single day, and it just pops up as you go. So for instance, if we go back to yesterday, or this new chapter that we're on, so day 21, day 22, so notice day 27 and 28, because that's what we're working on today. Tomorrow, day 29 will pop up, and so that's how he knows to just go to the very last lesson every single time. So for instance, if you click on day 20, you'll have 3 things. You'll have the assignment, or the actual lesson page. So if I click on this lesson page, it tells me what we're learning about. It gives me a little introduction, and then it shows you videos of me actually explaining the information. And then down here it tells you, okay, now that you've watched the video, you can turn in your notes for a grade, and then you can complete the assignment. And then down here is just more extra videos in case you're not understanding the completely and you want to watch more videos or read some more about the information, okay? But again, if you go straight to this assignment over here and you just click on it, it takes you straight to the assignment and you miss the whole lesson. So we don't want to do that, okay? So remember, click on materials, click on quarter 1, go to the chapter that we're on. So right now we're on chapter 1. Again, you can go back here and complete all the missing assignments. And then over here, the updates again just tell you what's happening each day. And then grades. That's the one that I want to focus on for a second because you asked where the missing assignments were. So if you click on grades, you can see over here there's going to be 3 things that you see. You're either going to see a green grade. So notice he submitted the Google Drive assignment. So he got a 5 out of 5. So he submitted this. He has a grade for that. Perfect. You'll see a dash, which means that assignment was due. It's already due, but I haven't graded it yet. So right now he has a dash right here. It's missing. He didn't turn it in, but because I haven't graded it for the whole class yet, it's still a dash. I will grade that today or tomorrow, and then it'll turn to either an actual grade or missing. And then you have all of these that say missing, has a 0 next to it, because until he turns it in, it counts as a 0. So that's right now his overall grade in this class is only at 3%, 2.5%. He has to get that up to a 60 in order to pass by the end of this first quarter. It's broken into 3 different sections. We have assessments, which is our quizzes and our tests, classwork, which is just the assignments every single day, and then down here notes. A lot of the lessons will have you turn in notes. So again, the notes are either just you actually have a document that you're going to fill out with information from the videos, or sometimes you just take notes in your notebook and then submit a picture of that. But all of these are missing, okay? So for instance, if he wants to turn, and then there's one that says excused, that was a test that you had to take on that day during class. So it was just in there so that way students would take it, but it doesn't go against him that he didn't take it. So for any of these missing assignments, if he actually clicks on the blue part, so let's say he wants to turn in stuff electronically, so he's going to click on this blue part, it's going to take him straight to the lesson, okay, or straight to the assignment. Now again, if he needs to know, okay, I don't know how to do that, right up here it shows you what day it's in, so he can click back on that day and say, okay, day 2. I need to look through this information and then submit this assignment, and he can start a new attempt. For each of the assignments, he gets to take them up to 3 times, so if he fails the first and second time, he can take it a third. For any quiz or test, he can only take it twice, so you only have 1 extra time. So if you fail a quiz, you can come get help with me and then retake it, or same thing with the test. Hopefully this little walkthrough video helps you. My number and information and stuff are also over here. So it has my cell phone number, it has my email address, office hours. Every single Wednesday from 3:30 to 4:30, we will meet on this Google chat for any person that wants to get extra help. He can also set up, again, extra time to work with me one-on-one if he just emails me, or he can come in person on Wednesday nights and get actual in-person tutoring from 4 to 7. So all of those options are available. We just want to see him catch up as quickly as we can.